Clima Set. One of the most common causes of poor air conditioning performance is refrigerant loss from the system. With Clima Set, you can recharge it yourself, quickly and easily. How do you choose the right refrigerant? Vehicles manufactured up to and including 2016 typically use R134A. Newer models use R1234YF. If you're not sure, check the vehicle identification plate. To recharge your air conditioning system, you need the Clima Set kit, a refrigerant canister, and a hose with a quick connector and pressure gauge. Clima Set offers two hose variants, Pro Line and Classic. The Pro Line features a hose approximately 60 centimeters long, a next-generation gauge with integrated dosing valve, plug-and-read technology for easy connection and pressure reading. The process is identical for both hoses, but the Pro Line is significantly more convenient to use. Locate the low-pressure port of the air conditioning system. It's easier than you think. It looks roughly like this. It is usually marked with the letter L, has a blue cap, and is approximately 11 millimeters in diameter. This is the only port the quick connector fits. For vehicles up to 2016, the canister and hose are usually all you need. For vehicles manufactured after 2017 using R1234YF refrigerant, you will also need an R1234YF adapter. If you have any doubts, contact our customer support team. Let's check the system pressure. Start the engine and turn on the air conditioning. Set it to maximum cooling and the highest fan speed. Now you can read the system pressure. Remove the low pressure port cap and place it somewhere safe. Connect the quick connector. Pull back the sleeve, place the connector over the port, release the sleeve until you feel it click into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm the connection is secure. Connect the hose to the port and read the gauge. Compare the reading against the chart. The correct pressure depends on the outside temperature. If the refrigerant level is too low, you can proceed with recharging. If the reading is in the warning zone, stop immediately. This may indicate excessive pressure in the system, or if the compressor does not engage, pressure that is too low. Let's recharge the system. Disconnect the hose from the port and prepare the refrigerant canister. Shake the canister for several seconds. This is important. The oils in the refrigerant must be fully mixed. Screw the hose onto the canister. Reconnect the quick connector to the port. While filling, hold the canister vertically, upside down, 180 degrees. Press the trigger and add refrigerant, watching the gauge reading. Continue until you reach the correct range. Disconnect the hose. Let the air conditioning run for a moment. Take a short drive and check the result. Enjoy the ride. Remember, the Pro Line hose is reusable. It fits any vehicle, so you can top up your system again whenever needed, even after a long time. The canister features an on-off valve. Use it until empty, then order a new Clima Set refrigerant canister. Clima Set, professional air conditioning service in your hands. Discover our full range of car care and maintenance products.